Here's a short video on a good source of choke ballasts for testing high pressure mercury discharge lamps on 240 volt supplies. Well, 220 to 240 volts. And these are the ballasts. These are choke ballasts used for preheat start tanning bed lamps. In the case of these are all ballasts for 100 watt. I think they're about a 6 foot, yeah, they're 6 foot, 1 ampere discharge current, or 980 milliampere discharge current fluorescent lamp, again used in tanning beds. But depending on when you look, these ballasts can be available quite cheap, and they are quite good for at least testing high pressure mercury lamps. Like this is an 80 watt Sylvania HSL comfort lamp, which is a fairly high color rendering by the standards of color corrected, phosphored high pressure mercury lamps, and also reasonably efficient too, luminous efficacy wise. But yeah, what I'm doing for this particular lamp is 2 of these ballasts are wired in parallel and then wired in series with this one. And the lamp is being underdriven, but it's also only running at about 230 something volts. With this particular combination, it would run a little bit better on 250, so it is a little bit flickery, because the discharge current right now is about 670 milliamperes, and generally for these it should be about 800. However, for these lamps, I found that 2 of these chokes in series on about a 245 volt supply is good for a 50 watt high pressure mercury lamp. So with the right combination and the right supply, potentially you could also use these as a permanent thing. But again, make sure you know what you're doing. This isn't a video put out there for people who don't know what they're doing to try and replicate.